What's up guys, Sal here. So with the Galaxy S9, Samsung announced a new super slow motion mode that allowed users to capture 960 FPS video at a resolution of 720p. And while the feature was certainly impressive, the devices were only capable of capturing 0.2 seconds of videos at that frame rate. When slowed down sufficiently, that amount of time equates to a few seconds of footage. But according to SamsungMobile.news, Samsung is keen to improve upon these current limitations and will allow the Note 9 to capture a total of 0.4 seconds of videos at the high frame rate, exactly double the amount currently possible with the Galaxy S9. Since the Note 9 is gonna feature the same camera module as the S9, technically the S9 should also get this feature. I guess Samsung will make this feature exclusive to the Note 9 for a few months, and then with an update will make it available to the S9 as well, just like they did with the landscape home screen feature. Samsung and Epic Games have partnered for the release of Fortnite for Android, which basically means that the game will be exclusively available on the Galaxy Note 9. Obviously, we're talking about a time-limited exclusivity contract which will expire after 30 days. It's also been said that the S Pen will feature some sort of integration for Fortnite, which will allow players to use it for aiming at someone in the game. Samsung is set to offer up to $150 worth of V-Bucks, which is a Fortnite's in-game currency, to customers who pre-order the Galaxy Note 9. Those who aren't interested in that will be able to opt for wireless AKG headphones of the same value instead. Of course, if you're not buying the Note 9 but want to play Fortnite on your Android phone, then you'll probably have to wait until September when the time-limited exclusivity contract is supposed to expire. On the S8, Note 8 and S9, a DeXDock add-on was required to bring up the desktop experience. With the Note 9 though, Samsung will apparently let users hook up to the big screen with just a single cable. All you'll need to connect your Note 9 to a bigger display would be a simple USB Type-C cable and an HDMI cable. However, without the docking station, you won't be able to charge the phone at the same time, nor add peripherals like the keyboard or mouse unless you're using Bluetooth. The DeXPad is also cooling down the smartphone while it's switched to the desktop mode, so yeah, it looks like the dockless solution for the Note 9 comes at the expense of some benefits. Although I'm sure the Note 9 will be fully compatible with the DeXPad, so those who don't like compromises might still get one.
Okay.